Hello students, welcome to Easy Elimu Learning Simplified. My name is Mr. Stanley Ombogo. So dear students, it is another interesting session that we have here, and still under oral poetry and songs, we want to look at the second subgenre, that is the children's songs. So remember, uh, we said that these songs are sung for specific purposes and functions. So previously, we were able to look at, we had an opportunity to look at lullabies by looking at, features and functions. There was also a sample that we had, and there are questions that were answered afterwards. So if you missed that, kindly check it out. So now back to children's songs. So by the end of this session, dear students, you should know what children's songs are, some of the features of children's songs, and the functions of children's songs. So to begin with, uh, let's look at the definition. So children's songs are songs that are sung by children among themselves or sometimes by adults to children. Children everywhere, remember, dear students, tend to have a variety of songs to enhance their play activity. So these songs can, be further subdivided as follows. So this means that we have got other subcategories of children songs. So the first subcategory of children songs, we have singing games. So these are songs that are, these are songs that are part of the play activity. The singing is an integral part of the game to the children. And a common one is the song sung by small girls, that is the jump around uh, as they jump around a rope. So another subcategory of children's songs, we have nonsense songs. So nonsense songs pick on a particular petty thing or issue and sing about it and say nothing in particular. So they are used by children to bring out their childishness. In such songs, children would sing about such things as frogs and cats, etc. So the things they sing about are, nonsensical. They are not making sense. So another category, that is the subcategory of children's songs, we have the naughty songs. So remember that each age has its secret naughty things that they want to do or say only in the context of their age mates. So in most cases, when these songs are sung, the naughty songs, the children normally try to use a coded language. That is a language that they only understand by themselves. So for children, they would, taunt one another, and occasionally they may border on the absence. Sometimes nursery school children have naughty songs taunting their teacher, though in a lighter note. The other subcategory of children songs are the tongue twisting rhymes, or what we call the catch rhymes. So tongue twisting rhymes are songs based on attempts to articulate difficult sounds, especially those sounds with similar pronunciation. Then the other subcategory of children songs that we have is the trick verse. So trick verse involves two groups engaged in a battle of wits using words in a song. Each group would represent an idea, object, or specific group trying to prove to their, that is to the other, their supremacy. So it's a battle between two groups where one group has to prove to the other group or party their supremacy. So one group could represent cats while the other represent dogs, for instance, and each would try to show the other how he is adored by men. Remember, those are just examples. We have a number of, we have very many songs that children sing. So another subcategory are the round songs. So in round songs, several groups would be singing the same song, but in a rotational form, such as that while the first is singing in the second line. So the second starts the first line and so on. The intention of these is to ensure that the members of each concentrate so that they are not outdone or overshadowed by the other. So we also have another subcategory that is the nursery chants. So this is a modern category of song. It is a modern subcategory of children's songs sung in elementary schools to enhance the learning process. So the next thing that we are interested in, dear students, uh, are the features of children's songs. So let us look at some of the features or characteristics of children's songs. So the features are as follows. The first one, they are sung for fun by children when playing or working. The second feature is that these songs are short and change relatively fast from song to song because children have short attention span. The next feature or characteristic is that there is use of repetition to ease learning and to make them memorable, that is easy to remember. Another important feature is that children's songs are characterized by ridicule directed at those who are disobedient, lazy, weak, and dirty. The next feature that we have is that these songs are almost nonsensical and full of fun. That is, they do not carry any important or serious message. The last feature or characteristic of children's songs is that they are rhythmic and highly coordinated. There is high coordination in these songs. So remember, what brings the rhythm is again the use of repetition, uh, which is also a feature of style in oral poetry. Next, let us look at some of the functions of children's songs. What are some of the functions of children's songs? So here are some of the functions that we are able to gather. The first function is that these songs teach language skills, that is speech, vocabulary, intonation, and stress. The second function of children songs is that they help children develop confidence. Then apart from that, the other function is that these songs encourage teamwork and cooperation among children. Moving on to the next function of children song, these songs entertain children during playtime. Then the next function is that children's songs sharpen keenness or concentration among children. Then the other function is that they enhance creativity in children. That is, they help them develop and realize their talent. The last function that we have, dear student, of children's songs is that they are a pastime activity. They are, they are songs sung to pastime. That brings us to the end of the session, dear students. Thank you for staying tuned till the end. Remember to always keep it easy, Elimu. Until next time, bye.